If you're out and about in a vehicle, one thing it's a good idea to have is a first aid kit. Often with vehicle accidents, then if it's going to be an accident, it's often something serious. What we've developed is this HeartHero Lifesaver Kit. Everything that you need in an emergency. It has a bleed kit, so we can deal with any catastrophic life-threatening bleeds. It has an AED inside, and also it has an AED prep kit, all in one container. Now the AED unit itself is the HeartHero. The HeartHero is different from other AEDs because it's a unit which is small, easy to use, but also it will go down to -20. So the problem with a lot of AEDs in vehicles is they get cold at night and therefore the AED temperature range is exceeded. So with this one, it's not a problem. Also, they have mobile phone connectivity, so it can check up. There's an app that goes with it. It's very versatile unit and IP66 rated. So having an AED in a vehicle used to be a problem in the past, but now it's not. We can have AEDs in vehicles very, very easily with the HeartHero. Incorporating it into a kit means you've got everything you need to deal with anything from cardiac arrest to life-threatening bleeding.